If you're a private or personal chef and still stuck below $10,000 a month, this is what I will do. This strategy is called the luxury brand partnerships. That's what my clients are doing right now to make at least $3,000 per dinner by connecting with luxury businesses already connected with ultra wealthy individuals. We're talking about supercar dealerships. We're talking about luxury realtors, luxury property managements, private banks, high-end art galleries, high-end museums. We've been doing this for months right now. I've got back-to-back case studies. So I'm using a Tev's right now example, which is one of our students. What we'll be doing is to recreate this lucid chart, okay? So we'll be creating this asset for our chefs, and you guys would actually be using this asset, this chart, and send that chart over with a recording video like I'm doing right now, talking over that chart and explaining your process to those businesses of how you could actually add value to their business to help them make more money, provide better quality experience to their clients, and overall make everybody's happy. Everybody's winning in this specific scenario. Their top clients are receiving a gift, and so they feel more appreciated. They probably retain that client better, longer, and even could upsell them so they make more money. And you first get paid by the business that you will be partnering up with, so become a new partner, get more clients by the same business, but more importantly, give yourself the chance to get connected specifically with ultra wealthy individuals without spending a dollar to acquire them. So how does it work, or how would you actually, run the video if you were the chef in person? The first thing that you want to do is to actually name the strategy. Okay, so hey, Mr. X business, today I want to introduce you to what I call the luxury brand partnership. Introduce your actual Instagram account the way that I've, created it here, and be like, hey, my name is Tevin. I run Tev's Table in Nashville, and what I do is to partner with luxury businesses to help them deepen their relationship with their top clients by offering my services as an exclusive perk, aka my private chef service will be offered to you, so you can offer that service to your top client to, thank them for having spent fucking $5 million this year into your company, okay? Once you did your intro, which shouldn't take you more than 60 seconds, then you want to move into 3 different case studies if you have them, okay? Case studies should usually, ideally, be similar profiles as the people that you're talking to, okay? So like if you go and you talk to supercar dealerships, to high-end art galleries, to luxury realtors, to those type of high businesses, to, high cash and successful businesses, you should be like, hey, we already work with this business and with this business and with this business. So now people are like, oh, this guy is actually working with businesses like us. And on top of this, after presenting the business that you've worked with, then you actually show them the results that you've helped them to achieve. By working with us, X client was actually able to add X amount of money to their revenue. X client or X business was actually able to, resell or retain their clients for another 6 months, 12 months, 16 months, 24 months. This client got a referral from that one client that we went and cooked for, and that allowed them to sell another house and, add another fucking 5 million revenue and, $500,000 in commission. Okay, so again, it's like first phase, you introduce yourself, take you 30 to 60 seconds. Second phase, you're going to take the next 2-3 minutes max to present the businesses that you've worked with and the result that you helped them to achieve, okay? And then you want to make the transition smooth with ideally a video testimonial from one of your clients who actually got the result and talk about the result that you helped them achieve, okay? Once you did that, that's how the transition happened. You go and you ask that question in the video. How would you feel if this specific service was offered to you? How would you feel if you were to put yourself in the shoes of your client? You just bought a $3, $4, $5 million mansion, and the realtor in charge of selling you the house, instead of just giving you a tap in the back and say, congratulations for buying the house, here's a box of chocolate, here's some cigars, here's a bottle of champagne, which is pretty much what all the people do, all the companies do, right? You're like, to thank you for trusting us, as a company and as a partner, we'd like to invite you in your new house and offer you a private chef service for the first ever dinner that you have inside of your house. How would you actually feel if you were that person and that realtor was offering that to you? Make people think. That will be the transition. Now you can actually move into how does it work. You're still in the video right now, okay? You make the cut right after you ask the question. You're like, okay, cool. If you were to be interested in how this could actually work, here's how our system could actually look like. And by the way, so far everything's free. We're not trying to sell you on anything. And even if, you were to like it all and it didn't make sense, you would just have a free tasting, because that's all we want to do. And by the way, I'm making the video right now. You should even introduce this right away at the beginning of the video, okay? Here is our service, which we call Luxury Brand Partnerships, where we help luxury business to deepen relationship with their top clients by offering our service to offer to them as an exclusive perk. But as of right now, the only thing we really want to do with you is to offer you a free tasting. There are no strings attached, and even if it was a 10 out of 10, but it didn't make sense for actually us to partner up, they'll be completely cool, and you just would have a free tasting, okay? That's how I would frame it in the first 30 seconds. So you catch people's attention knowing that they'll spend the next 7 minutes without having to, pay anything at the end of the deal, or even, tomorrow, next week, next month, next year. Everything's free so far, okay? So here you go. If you were to be interested in the free tasting, that's how it would work, okay? Here's step number 1, blah, 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 blah. Here's step number 2, blah, 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 blah. Here's step number 3, blah, 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 blah. Ideally, when you present your solution, because this is technically your solution, okay? Now that we've been doing a lot of marketing here and kind of like talking about case studies and what are the results that you could help them achieve. And now people want to actually know how it works. You're talking to sophisticated buyers. So they're also human beings, and everybody buys the same way. People buy with emotions justified with logics. And the more sophisticated people are, the more they need to be, the more the buying decisions need to be justified with logic, right? So definitely want to explain your process, but in your process, every single step should either resolve a problem or take away their pain, not add them more things to do or more problem to solve. So technically everything that you can do yourself and to let them know that they have absolutely nothing to do but just enjoy, the better for you, okay? I've created that step by step. It can definitely differ and be a little different, between one business to another, or, based on the service that you actually offer, but that's an overview of what you could actually go over in your video. And then after you did that, that will be the last transition to the third step, okay? So first step, again, introduction of who you are, who you help, and what are the results that you actually help them get. Second section is how your process work. Third section is the moment where you actually start making them think, again, by adding multiple questions. What happens next once you know how our process work? I want you, that's how you'll be actually communicating in the video. I want you to visualize it like if you were actually already there. Would a gift like this make your client trust you more or less? If client trust could actually increase even 20 or 30%, what would that mean for your retention and your referrals? Let them think again. How many of your competitors are giving this level of personalized care to their clients? Make them understand that literally nobody right now in the industry is doing this. So it set them apart. And so, if you're able to deliver this type of experience to your clients, what is the story that they'll be remembered? And with reciprocity at play, how do you think they will actually repay you back being treated this well? Which, again, when you talk to sophisticated people, they know that reciprocity works. They know that if they are able to offer this type of service to those individuals, they will be rewarded in a way or another. And usually tenfold of what they actually been putting in. The way that you'll be ending the video is by reminding those people that the tasting is completely free. The only thing it will take is to hop on the call and set a date, and then you'll take care of the entire logistic. But also end with a guarantee statement. By the way, if you were to actually want to move forward with us, which we have the time to discuss, we could do a first tasting and then another tasting, and then we could see the logistic and make sure that it actually works for everyone. Our service is completely guaranteed on a specific time frame, meaning that when you and I will go through the logistic of how your business works and how our service could actually help you increase and improve yours and the revenue in your company, we could guarantee result based on what we do. Meaning that if X amount of days or X amount of weeks after we perform that dinner for your clients, if you didn't get one referral or increase retention or were able to upsell that same client, the private dinner will be on us, offered to your client, and we'll even pay for the grocery. That's how confident we are in our service. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you soon. Okay, guys? Took me about 11 minutes to break the system down for you. So that will mean that you just going straight recording the video, editing it a little bit, just, cutting the blanks. Probably be like a 4, 5, 6 minute video max. Wouldn't take more than that. I hope you appreciate the video. You found some value. Let me know. Send me a message on Instagram. Comment below. And I'll see you in the next one. See you. Bye.